Mary Cuckoo. We're here to help you with your defense against been there coffee machines. You have a large machine that runs your shop, and recently 3 parts have failed. The grinder disc, the grinder gear, and the outflow valve. And they guaranteed, been there machines, coffee machines, guaranteed that there's a 99.99% chance of it not failing. And so we want to prove that there is a less percentage of it failing so that you'll be able to get help paying for your large machine. The percentage rate we got from some sources is, for the grinder disc fails, is 0.01%, and the percentage of the grinder gear failing is 0.6%, and then the percentage of them failing together is 0.095%, and then the percentage of the outflow valve failing is 50%, and there's a 0.25% that it fails by itself. And so in order to find the probability of them all failing together, we wanted to use the AND rule, since you just find the probability of each one and then you multiply them together. And it makes sense to multiply them because you're going to want them to get smaller and smaller because you're asking for more to happen, for this one to fail, that one to fail, and then the other one to fail. So we decided to put it in a Punnett square to make it more easier to look at. This is the grinder disc, and then this is the grinder gear, and this is the outflow valve, and this is the fail and not fail percentages. So we just put the information into the chart. So we got, but we also made sure to change the percentages to decimals. So we did 0.0001 for the percentage of failure in the grinder disc. And we did that for each one. We made sure to change this to 0.6 and then this to 0.5. And in order to find these, we just subtracted the failure percentage from 1, because if you subtract it from 1, then you'll be able to figure out the percentage of it not failing pretty much. And so we did the AND rule, and we multiplied the failure rates together, and we got 0.0003. And if you come over here, 0.003 is the decimal of failure. So you want to figure out the not failure, so you're going to subtract it from 1, because these are the 1 represents all the events. It's pretty much like the sample space, and you're going to subtract it from 1, and you get 0.99997, and to make it a percentage you would just move it over, and so it turns out to be 99.997%, which is smaller than what the Being There coffee machines claimed. So you can just explain that to them and you have a case in court.